Look at that. What does that sign say? Snow emergency in effect when flashing. That looks like flashing to me. So this is a time lapse of a service plaza that I pulled into after it was getting pretty rough on the road, and I had nowhere to go in front of me. I caught up to 4 snowplows that were going 20 miles an hour or 15 miles an hour. So I just pulled in the service plaza, and trucks all over the place, and I blocked up even more space, and you can see these trucks sneaking by me and sleeping at the fuel island. So I stayed here until someone knocked on my door and said, hey, you gotta move it. Смотри на трак.
Где мы? Куда ты меня привез? Что за вообще?
Пошли.
Какая планета?
Car hauler, car hauler. More car haulers.
Winter is not for me. I wanna go back to Miami now. So now we're eating at 50's Diner, delicious omelet, because driving a truck makes me hungry.
That's right. And don't drive like my brother. It's the omelet sandwich designed by Dasha. Иди сюда.
Ты за шиворот хочешь?
Oh, you don't want to go in the truck anymore, huh?
Я хочу снегу бери.
Look at this girl.
Мне холодно. Он открыт? Он открыт? I can't open my eyes. Open the trunk!
She fell. You fell too.
Дай мне руку хоть записывать! Oh, man! Oh my goodness! It's your fault! Wonderful! Amazing trip! I enjoy it so much!
Check the temperature. Yeah, your jacket's all snowed. Hurry up, I'm cold! Get in the car! Don't put the feet. This is my nice foot rug. Not for sure. Morning. Look at that. Hey, look at that. Look where big bad boy brought us. Basketball Hall of Fame. It's your place, Dasha.
That's my place, for sure. Yep.
Look at that big giant basketball statue.
Yeah.
So,
Хочу туда пройти.
what time is sunrise? Что-то не работает. Come on, girl. Siri, you gotta be faster than that.
На камеру стесняется.
На камеру стесняется. А ты на камеру стесняешься? А что ты так тепло одеваешься? Расскажи всем. Опа, телефон упал. Опять?
Потому что там очень холодно.
Очень холодно. И где мы?
Мы на Niagara Falls.
На Niagara Falls. Вот она прислала погоду, и в 7:43 будет.
Ну лучше, чтобы Сири сказала, еще раз скажи.
Siri, what time is sunrise? Talk to me, girl. The water bottle with water. I know, it's
Such
not.
an interesting episode.
Yeah, it is. Okay. When you go hang out with Dasha, you always got to have water because she likes to drink. So,
Water.
Yeah, so, maybe looking at all that water. Whoa, almost overflowed. Who knows? Looking at all that water at the waterfall, Niagara Falls, might make her thirsty too. So, got that taken care of. Oh, she almost hit the head just like I did. Oh, mullet. And she's drinking already.
Stop recording.
Stop recording. She's getting camera shy, guys. So, sometimes you gotta turn the camera off. We like it. Da-da. We're still waiting to go to Niagara Falls, all because of Serge. You gotta put on 2 layers of pants. Наша такая, не, одни хватит для меня. And I'm like, no. I know. Я знаю, что будет. Как только я выйду на улицу, я скажу.
What?
See, I told you we should have got the one with the cathedral sleeper. Это маленькая кабина. Just think next time, when you're at Niagara Falls with Dasha, тебе штаны надо будет натянуть вторые. Тебе спалку надо будет высокую. Страх.
Смотри, запаришься.
А то запаришься. Yeah.
Застегнулся.
Карманы теперь. Теперь уже мне делается жарко, потно. Все, let's get out of here.
А я с дырками пойду. Ой-ой. Что мне одеть?
Шапку. You just said 2 seconds outside of the truck. She said, наверное, мне надо было надеть.
Что-то под джинсом.
Yeah, it's cold. It's not a nice day to go for a walk in the park. And who parked that trailer so close to the tree? Let's pay for parking. So we're good till 8:50 a.m. And that's perfect because my shoes are cold already. Let's
My
go.
legs are cold.
Oh, look, it's the casino over there, huh? Your legs are cold. I told you, wear double pants. This is not a laughing matter. She's like, oh, take me back to Miami. Hear the crunching snow? What does crunching snow mean? Do you know what crunching snow means? Oh, there, she almost tripped over the wire fence. Crunching snow means that it's really, really cold. When the sound of crunching snow happens when you step on it, it means it's cold. I'm just teaching you what it's like to be in the cold. And look, it's the Holiday Inn. You know, like that song? Hotel, motel, Holiday Inn. If your girl starts acting up, then you take her friend, not your friend.
My mind is frozen.
Your mind is frozen.
I can't think of anything.
I was like, what's the license plate to the truck? And I was like, let me run and get it. She goes, no, I'll get it. And she pushes me away.
and I'm like waiting at the machine, the pay machine for the license number, her to shout it out. And she goes, I think the license plate is gone. I was like, what? What do you mean it's gone on a brand new semi truck? It's the license plate. You know, I was like, did we hit a deer or something last night? And now, you know, some more things are gone, including the license plate. Let me go check this out. And she's pushing me away from the truck. Anyways, it says Hotel Niagara. Wow, what an interesting, oh, they're like restoring it. Look at that. That's why there's a fence around it. Anyways, there's a guy. We spotted one guy at 6 a.m. in the morning walking his dog. And it says Niagara Falls Visitor Center. So, oh my goodness, that was some ice there. Crossing this parking lot. You gotta hold this girl's hand, otherwise she slips away.
It's скользко.
Slippery. Can you hear the water? We're getting close. So now we're on the last little bridge across the river before the Niagara Falls. Just a few feet that way and you go off the falls. That's Canada back there. And that's the sunrise back there behind us. And Dasha's a little disappointed. She says, the waterfalls are small. They look so giant.
On the picture.
No, you can't even see them from here. Let's go take a closer look from the observation bridge. So we're walking further up to the edge of the waterfall. There's Canada in front of us.
Beautiful.
They get a better view of the falls and us. They can see us too. So I think they're shining lights at it. Maybe not. Maybe they shine it the lights and then they turn off at midnight or something like that. But it looks like a pretty street over there. Let's keep going. It's just dragging me. Вот оно. Вот, встань тут. Давай я тебя запишу.
Oh my gosh.
Just 50 feet away. Look, people climb down there. You want to climb down there? Let's do it. I'm going to climb down. Do not try this unless you're with a professional named Dasha. We just climbed over the fence and we're following the footsteps all the way to the edge of the waterfall.
It's very dangerous, guys. Don't do this.
Unless you're with Dasha.
Wow.
We're right on the edge of Niagara Falls.
Yes. So beautiful.
Let's take a closer look. Wow, look at that, huh? Я присяду на камень.
Oh my gosh, he's so brave, sitting on the rock.
Sure enough, the security came and busted us. He said the police would see you on camera and don't do this. So nice guys that take care of the trash or something. Do not go over the fence. She's so happy to vlog at Niagara Falls. Look at that. Horseshoe Falls, Niagara Falls. Horseshoe Falls, Niagara Falls. And then behind us this way, that's Canada. And this is all the United States gives you is this little bridge to go up and see it off the edge there. So let's go take a closer look. So observation deck entrance is closed. You gotta climb a fence. But we gotta leave at 9 o'clock. Otherwise we won't make it to our appointment in Chicago. So that's too bad. This is all we get. This is all we get. Because trucking life.
На этой стороне Канада, а здесь вода. Я на американской стороне. Угадайте, что это?
А смотри, как рассвет там у них видно, да? Красиво.
Кто угадал, вы молодцы. Я водопадов. Вот они.
There's a little boat that takes you there to the thing. Look how blue the water is now that the sun is rising. So beautiful. It's like every moment it's changing color.
Yeah.
And to the left of us is 2 cameras spying on you if you climb over the fence like we wanted to do. And police will be dispatched. Another view of the observatory and the falls. I wonder if that's like a tourist area that you could come down to and just kind of see the view from there. Probably that's where the boats come. Well, I wonder if that is. Look, they got like a storm drain over there from Canada. Is the truck. Look, here, it pops out. It looks like it's still there. Let's go take a closer look and see if we got a ticket. We're on Rainbow Boulevard and 3rd Street. Right by the casino. We could probably park at the casino. No problems. So yeah, just 2-block walk. Or 4, maybe 5 blocks to the Niagara Falls.
Ты его не выключал?
That's the reefer engine.
I'm good like this.
You're good like this. Temperature's still warm in the truck, so we're having heat. Сразу тепло.
Take the 3rd exit onto Rainbow
Going
Boulevard.
right toward the Space Needle, right to Canada, so better take a left.
It's lunchtime. Look, we're going 75 miles. And he's eating at the same time. How is it even possible?
Possible when you got a nice flight attendant named Dasha.
Yes, that's me.